What's going on, guys? DJ coming at you with another video. In today's video, I want to show you about an error that we just found out about today. It's a error with the Logi Options Plus software screwing up. We're going to show you how to fix this issue if you're having it. So let's get into this video. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your system settings. Then you want to go down to dates and time. You have to change your date and time and then rewind back time. Take it back to 2025 to get it to work. It doesn't open up at all when I just open it up normally. When I open it up, it does this thing where it's not working. So then we go to activity monitor and you need to close it out completely. Just hit quit, close it out, force quit, and then you go back to your date, change that, and it's working now. So you're good to go. It may be some errors happening on the opposite side. This is something that we need to look into further to try to get it to work so it's not an error, because I've heard some people saying that even when they change the date, it still errors out. So this is something that I'm going to look into, and I'll be making more videos about it as time goes forward. All right, if you guys enjoy the content, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.